Welcome to our video on the top 5 best 4K camcorders for 2023. Whether you're a professional videographer or just looking to capture memories, finding the right camcorder can make all the difference. We've done the research and compiled a list of the best 4K camcorders on the market for the upcoming year, based on factors such as image quality, features, and value. So without further ado, let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Panasonic HCWX-1KK 4K Cinema. The Panasonic HCWX-1KK 4K Cinema is a compact and high-end camcorder from Panasonic. It has 4K Ultra HD video recording capability, which allows you to capture sharp and detailed images and videos. It also has a 2.3-inch back-illuminated MOS sensor, which delivers high sensitivity and low noise for better image quality. The camcorder also features a built-in Leica Dicamar lens with 20x optical zoom, which provides clear and detailed images, even when zoomed in. The HCWX-1KK also has a variety of creative features, such as manual controls, slow-motion recording, and an in-camera editing function that allows you to trim footage and create a highlight reel without the need of a computer. Next up, we have the Sony FDR-AX33 4K camcorder. The Sony FDR-AX33 is a 4K camcorder from Sony, a well-known electronics company. It is a compact and lightweight camcorder that is capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD video and still images. The camcorder has a 2.3-inch back-illuminated exmor or CMOS sensor, which delivers excellent image quality with high sensitivity and low noise, even in low-light conditions. The FDR-AX33 features a 26.8mm wide-angle Carl Zeiss lens with 29mm equivalent focal length and 10x optical zoom, which allows you to capture a wide field of view and get close to the action. In 3rd place, we have the Panasonic HCWX-F991K camcorder. The Panasonic HCWX-F991K is a high-end camcorder from Panasonic. It is capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD video and still images. The camcorder has a 2.3-inch BSA MOS sensor, which provides excellent image quality with high sensitivity and low noise, even in low-light conditions. The HCWX-F991K features a Leica Dicamar lens with 20x optical zoom, which allows you to capture sharp and detailed images from a distance. In the 2nd place, we have the Canon G50 consumer camcorder. The Canon G50 is a 4K consumer camcorder from Canon, a well-known electronics company. It is a compact and lightweight camcorder that is capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD video and still images. The camcorder has a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor, which provides high sensitivity and low noise, even in low-light conditions. The G50 features a 20x optical zoom lens, which allows you to capture clear and detailed images from a distance. The camcorder also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, which make it easy to share your content and control the camcorder remotely using a smartphone or tablet. Finally, coming in at a 1st place, we have the Panasonic HCX1500 4K 60 camcorder. The Panasonic HCX1500 is a 4K camcorder that is capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD video at 60 frames per second. It is a professional-grade camcorder that is designed for video professionals and serious videographers. The camcorder has a 2.3-inch MOS sensor, which provides high sensitivity and low noise, even in low-light conditions. The HCX1500 features a Leica Dicamar lens with 20x optical zoom, which allows you to capture sharp and detailed images from a distance. That's it for our top 5 best 4K camcorders of 2023. We hope this video has helped you make a decision on the best camcorder for your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Please click on the description down below to get the best price and further product information.